everybody, Gabe here from the Hawaii Institute of Self-Reliance. I'm at work today, hence the work clothes and the work gloves and the air protection. I'm gonna go beast mode on this tree behind me with a whole chainsaw. Stick around. This is what macnut sap looks like. It's almost blood, huh? It's Halloween. Interesting sap on this macnut tree. Always protect your blade or your chain, keep it off the ground, and the sheath is really nice. And keep it close by so you don't ruin your chain. And the tools of the trade, it's a sharpener. I like the one with the guide. Of course, your bar oil and your mixed gas, and then your chainsaw tool. This is necessity. Oh, and water. That's for you, not the chainsaw. And some ear protection. It's really good to have, and some eye protection. So the teeth is going this way. So I'm gonna put the guide right on it. And the guide has a 30-degree angle, so you just line that up with the chain and the bar, like that. And then you just slowly go this way and sharpen it. I'll get you a closer view. And yeah, that's basically how you sharpen a chain. And here's the closer view. Okay, so now that I've got you a little bit closer, I'm going to give you a close-up of this. So basically what you do is you put it like that. There's a line right here on the guide, and you bring that line right in line, or bring that guide line in line with the bar, just like that. And then even level strokes like that. Come back and do the same thing, line it up, right? Line everything up, just like that. Easy. Now there is other ways to sharpen it, like if you sharpen these teeth down, you're gonna have to sharpen another, or take another file, a flat file. I'll do that later in another video. This is just a quick tutorial on how to sharpen a chainsaw that is not that dull, but just needs a little bit of servicing. So you just line it up like that. Keep the angle consistent all the way through. It's kind of like golf. Keep that swing and that stroke all the way through, level, flat, and then you got to get the right angle on the guide and line it up with the bar. And there you go. That's how to sharpen a chainsaw real quick. Okay, I did want to mention, so you can sharpen it this way, the teeth go that way. Well, it's basically the same on the other side, because the teeth go this way and that way. So you basically just do the same thing, and there's another line going the other way, and it's just the same basic principle as this way. Just want to throw that in there. Okay, obviously you have to know how to use a chainsaw before you pick one of these up. And I've been using this for a while. I know how to use these, how they move, you know. Yeah, they're very handy. And living in Hawaii, you have to know how to use machetes, chainsaws, everything really, because you're constantly either at work or at your house, you're hacking back the jungle. And today I'm on a macnut farm, and I'm cutting down this macnut tree that isn't doing so well. So I hope you like this video. I hope you comment. I love all your comments, and I hope you share this video. Check me out at His Survival on Instagram, and please subscribe. Till next time. Hello.